Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe because we're coming up with new videos every week. Now, you have already seen the final outcome of this video. So what we'll do is we are going to connect multiple LEDs with our Arduino and try some amazing effects. So what you'll need is some LEDs. I'm using a 220 ohm resistor, some jumper wires, breadboard and Arduino of course. So let's get started. So here we have 7 LEDs and 7 resistors. So first we'll see what are the connection diagram over here. So we are using Arduino number 329 via resistor to a LED, anode of LED and ground short. So we'll just write the code for it. Defining all the pins over here. So from 3 to 9 all the LEDs are defined on Arduino pin. Now we'll define the mode of this pin using the pin mode. So I'll just copy this and define it as output, and then I'll copy this defining all the pin as output. So I'll just paste it 7 times from LED 1 to 7, 5, 6 and 7. So yeah, so all the pins are defined. Now we'll just write the code, we'll understand and then we'll check the output. So I'll just create a function called effect, first effect with a delay of every 100 milliseconds, and after the loop I'll make a new function name effect. Here I'll control the LED by doing some amazing patterns. So first what we'll do is we'll first make all the LED pin high and low so that we can check if it works well, and then we can play with it. So seven digital write all the pin as high, and then just delay of 500 milliseconds, and then all the pin as low. So what this will do is it will blink the LED, all LED will be on, then after 500 milliseconds or let's say 0.5 millisecond all the LED will turn off. So and delay over here. Let's just save this as LED chaser tutorial and compile it. So the compilation is done. Now we'll check the circuit diagram once again and we'll move on with the connections. So from 3 to 9 via resistor. So let's move on with the connection. So let's connect as per our circuit diagram. So we are done with the connections. Now I'll just connect the board and upload the code which we have made. So here we are done uploading the code. As you can see, all the LED are blinking after 0.5 seconds of delay. Now I've already made a code for you all to try and play with it. So let's check that code. The code of it is mentioned in the description below. You can visit my website www.electrofun.co.in. The explanation of it and the detailed code with all the effects have been mentioned over there. So as you can see, the code has uploaded and I have made a code for 5 different effects as you can see in the video. So I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below, and the detailed code and circuit diagram will be mentioned in my website. So just go and check that. Till then, like our video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.